Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting Zoom on an iPad. Open the App Store and install Zoom, then sign in. Once installed, grant camera and microphone permissions so video and audio work. Tap Join to enter a meeting with an ID, or tap Schedule to create one and set date, time, and meeting options. Make sure to choose Use Personal Meeting ID only if you want a persistent link. Once done, confirm audio type, call over internet, and test your microphone briefly before proceeding. You're in the meeting. Focus on controls across the bottom and top of the screen. Tap Mute to toggle your mic and stop video to control your camera feed. Tap Participants to view names and manage permissions. To share, tap Share Content and pick Screen, Photo, or Whiteboard. Once sharing, use pinch gestures to zoom shared content and switch between front and back cameras if needed. If someone's audio is noisy, mute them. Make sure to unmute when it's their turn to speak. When the meeting ends, tap Leave Meeting or End Meeting for all and confirm any recording save options, cloud or local. Once done, open Settings in the Zoom app to tweak audio, video, virtual background, and notifications for your next call. If something goes wrong, say no audio or frozen video, force close Zoom, restart your iPad, and verify Wi-Fi or cellular connection. If problems persist, reinstall the app and check iPad OS updates. That usually resolves lingering permission or compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.